We found two unusual trades on Gap stock, ticker symbol GPS, today, March 11. And so in this video, we will analyze what this could mean for Gap stock, because the stock currently trades very near its 52-week high from last year, $22.08. You can see we're trading at $21.64. So will we break above and make new highs? That is why we will be analyzing the unusual options activity of these two unusual trades, because they may be insiders trading because they know something is about to happen to Gap stock. So without further ado, let's get to the data as usual. So on the options time and sales tape, we actually do not see one of these unusual trades. You can see here, there is no April 12 option, but that is in fact one of the unusual trades. So we have to filter that out. So April 12, and now we can see them. As you can see at 12:41:45, around this time, this potential insider was trading April 12 options for the 22 strike calls. Okay, most of them were buying them. We believe that at this 22 strike call, which is the 52-week high, $22 that we had just went over, you can see here, for the April 12's 22 strike calls, 6,751 contracts, volume much greater than the open interest of just 21. So we know that these 22 strike calls are being bought to open. And you can see an estimated trade cost 103. So in options terms, we have to multiply by 100. So it's $103 per trade. There was about 6,751 contracts. So this insider, potential insider, traded about $695,000. Now, since this trade did not meet our criteria for a high probability of profit trade, because for one, it did not break $1 million. Okay, we simply followed this trade in the same position, buying these 22 strike calls. So you can see that this trade here is simply a long call, expecting Gap to be above $23 by expiration. Okay, so that is above the 52-week high. So as we mentioned from the charts here, $22, that means that this trade expects there to be a new high coming up by April 12th. And so we are following this trade, but as we mentioned, it is a not as high of a probability of profit trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website. We will put a link at the top here if you are interested in the trades that have higher probability of profit. Now, the other trade, the second unusual option trade that we had found, you can see here, happened at the last hour. So if we clear this filter out, you can see it here at 3:40 p.m. April 19th, 24 strike calls, 730. Does not seem like that's a lot. We also see here at 3:19, 3:91, Also not a lot, but when we take a deeper look at the chain for April 19 at the 24 strike calls, we can see there is quite a lot. 11,000 contracts being traded just today, March 11. And most of them are being open because we can see the open interest was just 1,700, much less than 11,000. Okay, now you can see that the trade value of this, if we were to estimate this, $49 times about 11,645 is 570,000. So since this trade is less than the April 12th trade of 600,000 that we had just gone over, that is why we prefer to follow the trade that was on April 12th. Okay, because we typically want to follow the trades that have higher value, and that is why our higher probability of profit trades that exceed $1 million have been a lot more accurate in predicting stock price movements. So if you are interested in those trades, then make sure to go to our website where we share the trades of these wealthy investors that are trading more than $1 million. Sometimes they are also insiders that may have access to leaked information. Okay, so check out our website if you want to learn more. Comment below on what you think will happen to gap. Will it gap above and make new highs? Let us know in the comments below. So please smash the like button and have a great day.